Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to install our little Gemini phone mount for MagSafe devices. This is a 24 WRX, super easy to install. Start with the shift knob, set that aside. So now we're gonna lift out this surround, and this tray in here comes with it. Start by lifting up just back here, reach into here where the leather is, and just pull up. You get two pops. There's two more in the front of that piece. And then there's two more in the back. Just kind of lift up and those pop out pretty easy. Just yank that off of there. So the next part is the only part that requires a tool. So you can see right here is a screw. We need to take that out. I have a little stubby screwdriver that works pretty well for this. Doing it one-handed here. Take that screw out. Be careful not to drop it. If it drops, probably ain't getting it back. So we got that screw out. So then we're just taking off this side panel here. To do that, first we'll want to pop the front of the console up. So there's a plastic here, so you can reach right under here with on both sides, and that'll come up. You only need the front up. So similar, just pulling up, pops up pretty easy. And then on this piece, we just pull. There's clips here, and there's clips up here. So I just start at the bottom. A little harder with one hand, but that pops off. Pull back, that pops off. So now we'll take our mount, and that's going to slide right into here, into this little crack on the side. So just a little tricky with one hand. So you're going to put it on like that. It's got to be between the two clip holes there. And then just pop that right back on. All right, so you can see I got it positioned. I'm going to push the front back in, bottom already clicked in. So I do the front first and then the back. And then you're going to want to take this piece, grab like the spacer, and just slide it down until it hits. That's a little bit better. And then you clip these two back in, just push straight down. Make sure everything's clipped in. I'm going to put that screw back in. This little guy. All right, so I got that screw back in. Now we'll go back to the shift boot. Kind of prep it like that. Pull this thing back up. And then it just slides back in. Start the front. Align the front flaps in first. And then just come down with it. Get clips up front. These two. And then in the back. All good and easy. Slide your boot down. Put the shift knob back on. Good to go.